Hello, beautiful souls. I know you've been feeling this way for some time now, like something's different about you, like you don't quite fit in with the crowd. Maybe you've been feeling alone, misunderstood, or even a little isolated, like the world around you just doesn't get you. But here's the truth. There's a reason for that, and it's not something to be afraid of. You've been chosen for a greater purpose, and this time of isolation is not a punishment, it's a preparation. You are being called to grow, to heal, and to discover something powerful about yourself. You see, there's something magical about being in a place of solitude. In a world that constantly pressures us to conform, we often forget how essential it is to take a step back and be with ourselves. We live in a world that thrives on distraction, on being constantly surrounded by others, by noise, by expectation. But when you're isolated, when the distractions are stripped away, you are given the gift of clarity. It's in these quiet moments that you can hear the whispers of your soul, guiding you toward who you truly are meant to be. It's in this isolation that you can uncover your true power. You may feel like you're alone, but let me assure you, you are not. You are exactly where you need to be. You are being prepared for something greater, something that requires your full attention, your full presence, and your full awareness. The world outside may seem noisy and chaotic, but within you there is peace, and it is in this peace that you will find your strength. Now, I know it can be difficult when the people around you don't understand your path, or when they try to pull you back into old habits and old patterns, but don't let their confusion stop you. You are different, and that's okay. In fact, that's exactly what the world needs. The world needs people like you who are willing to stand out, to be true to themselves, and to trust in the process of their own growth. You are not here to fit into someone else's mold. You are here to create your own. When you are isolated, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking something is wrong with you. But I want you to know this: nothing is wrong with you. You are being called to rise above the noise, to step into your true power, and to trust in the guidance that is coming from within you. It's in these quiet moments that you can hear the deepest truths about yourself. You are more than capable of handling this journey, and this time of isolation will lead you to the most profound transformation. As you move through this time, I encourage you to think of the space you have created for yourself. Rather than seeing it as a burden or a punishment, try to see it as an opportunity for growth. The world may try to distract you, but this is your time to reconnect with your inner wisdom, your inner strength, and your inner peace. You are being called to listen to the messages that are coming to you from deep within. You are not being isolated because you are unworthy or broken. You are being isolated because you are chosen for something greater. The people who understand you may not be in your immediate circle right now, but they will find you. Trust that the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. Your soul has been calling you to this moment, and now it's time to answer. The truth is, you are meant for greatness. The isolation you're experiencing is just a stepping stone on your path to fulfillment and peace. It's not easy to think of this solitude, but it's necessary. Just like a seed needs the darkness of the soil to grow into something beautiful, you need this time to nurture your spirit, to heal old wounds, and to prepare yourself for the abundant life that is waiting for you. It's easy to fall into fear during times like this, to believe that you are being left behind or that you are being punished, but I promise you this is not the case. You are being chosen to step into a new version of yourself, one that is more aligned with your true purpose. The isolation you feel is not about being alone in the world. It's about being alone with yourself so you can connect with the divine within you. And it is in this connection that you will find the answers you seek. Take a moment to look at this time of isolation as a gift rather than a curse. When you are isolated, you are free from the noise and distractions that keep you from seeing the truth of who you are. You have the space to heal, to grow, and to become the person you were always meant to be. And when the time comes for you to step back into the world, you will do so with a deeper understanding of yourself and your purpose. I know it may feel lonely right now, but note that this time of solitude is a powerful teacher. You are not alone even when you feel like it. The universe, God, or whatever higher power you believe in, is with you every step of the way. This isolation is not about being left out. It's about being chosen to rise above the noise, to heal, to grow, and to become the greatest version of yourself. Trust the process. Know that you are exactly where you need to be. Even if it doesn't feel that way right now, there is a plan for you, and the universe is working in your favor. Your isolation is not a punishment, it's an invitation to reconnect with your true self and to prepare for the beautiful future that is waiting for you. You are worthy of this time, you are worthy of this growth, you are worthy of the abundance that will come when you step into your full power. You may feel as though the weight of the world is bearing down on you, that others are living their lives with ease while you are stuck in a space of isolation. But this feeling is not a punishment. In fact, this feeling is an invitation to get in touch with the most authentic part of who you are. There is power in solitude, in taking time away from the distractions and demands of others so you can find your own path. When you are isolated, the world around you gets quiet enough for you to hear your inner voice. And it's this inner voice that holds the key to everything you've ever wanted in life. During these moments of solitude, you may notice that certain old patterns begin to surface. You may begin to question yourself or doubt your choices. But don't let these thoughts fool you into thinking you are off course. What's really happening is that you are shedding old layers, clearing away the debris of past experiences, and making room for the new. It's a necessary process. It's like clearing a space for a beautiful garden to grow. Things must be cleared away before something new can take root. The isolation is like a period of rest for your soul, just like how the earth needs a break between seasons to regenerate and prepare for growth. You too need these moments of rest and reflection. This time is not wasted, nor is it a sign of failure. It's actually a moment of deep personal reflection, a chance to understand yourself on a deeper level. You are not stuck, you are simply in a phase of recalibration, aligning with your true purpose and potential. Through isolation, you are learning to rely on your own wisdom. You are rediscovering the strength that comes from within. In these moments, when the distractions are gone, you realize that you have everything you need right now. It's all within you, the answers, the peace, the direction. And in this quietude, you are slowly but surely reconnecting with the power of your own spirit. You are reclaiming your own narrative and rediscovering what it truly means to be you. So instead of fearing your isolation, think of it, see it for what it truly is, a powerful opportunity for growth, transformation, and self-discovery. You were chosen for this moment, and it's a beautiful, sacred thing. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and when the time is right, you will emerge from this time of solitude stronger, wiser, and more aligned with your true purpose. Keep your heart open, keep your mind clear, and trust in the process. You are exactly where you need to be. Stay connected to your inner peace. It's always there, guiding you through every step of your journey. You are not alone. You are chosen. And this time of isolation will lead you to the most beautiful version of yourself. Stay open, stay present, and trust that you are exactly where you are meant to be.